Today I am sharing a Ramadan special recipe that is comforting, aromatic, absolutely royal. Saffron Chicken Yakhni Pulao. This pulao is light but full of flavor because we are making a homemade yakhni first. That's what makes it extra special. Let's start the recipe. In a pot, add 2 teaspoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of ghee, clarified butter. The combination gives beautiful flavor without making it heavy. Now add 1 small onion, halved, and small crushed piece of a ginger, and 4 garlic cloves or 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. You can also use garlic paste. Next, go in with whole spices, 1 bay leaf, green cardamom pods, peppercorns, whole jeera, a small cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, cloves, and whole coriander seeds. As soon as this hit the hot ghee, your kitchen will start smelling incredible. Now pour in 4 cups of water. Add salt to taste. Now add 5 chicken drumsticks. I prefer drumsticks because they give the best flavor to the stock. You can add also chicken breast or leg piece. Now bring it everything to a boil. Then cover and let it simmer gently for about 30 minutes. The slow simmer allows the chicken to become tender and the stock to absorb the spice flavor. After 30 minutes, strain the chicken and reserve this beautiful aromatic yakhni. Do not discard it. This is the heart of our pulao. Now let's prepare the pulao. In a heavy bottom pot, add 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of ghee again. Add 1 teaspoon of whole jeera and 1 green chili. Once it splutters, add sliced onion 1 and saute until lightly golden. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Cook until the raw smell disappears. Next, add the boiled chicken drumsticks. Season with 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, salt if needed. Mix gently so the chicken gets coated in all the spices. Now pour in 2 cups of the reserved chicken stock. Bring this to a gentle boil and at this stage add 1 cup of basmati rice that has been soaked for at least 30 minutes. Finally add 3 tablespoons of saffron milk. This gives the pulao that beautiful golden color and royal touch. Bring everything to a boil again, then cover the pot and cook on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat but do not open the lid immediately. Let it rest, cover for 10 more minutes. Now gently fluff the rice with a fork, sprinkle freshly chopped coriander on top, and your saffron chicken yakhni pulao is just ready. Fluffy, fragrant, aromatic, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for dinner night, Ramadan night, or a special family dinner. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more flavorful and healthy recipes like this.